Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix World of Tanks hit game crashing, crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles, whether you're playing the game on Xbox S series or X series. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes. First fix include step 1, 2, 3 and 4. After following all the 4 steps, then you can check if your problem is solved or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following each steps. So here we go. Step 1 is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Next step is to clear the World of Tanks hit cache files. So press Xbox Guide button, click on My Games and Apps and then click on See All. Look for World of Tanks hit game and highlight it. Then press Menu and then select Manage Game and Add-ons. Click on Save Data, Reserve Space and then click on Clear Reserve Space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile and make sure you click Delete from console when deleting it. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see this option in your Xbox console, then skip this step. Step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. Now after following all the 4 steps, you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now re-add your account and after adding your account, you can go ahead, launch the World of Tanks hit game and see if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Now restart your console and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then select the port one by one and check which one worked for you. Fix 4, run World of Tanks hit game from store instead of running the game from Xbox home. To do this, type World of Tanks hit in the search bar and click on it and then click on launch game and check. Fix 5, change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in the general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings manual. Enter 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS and enter 8.8.4.4 for secondary DNS and save it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check. Now if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to reinstall World of Tanks hit game. So simply uninstall World of Tanks hit game from your Xbox console, then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve World of Tanks hit game crashing, crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issues on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.